NCERT Exemplar Solutions, Class 10, Maths, Chapter 7, Exercise 7.1, Question number 19. If the distance between the points 4, P and 1, 0 is 5, then the value of P is option A, 4 only, option B, plus or minus 4, option C, minus 4 only, or option D, 0. Let us find the answer. We are given the distance between the points 4, P and 1, 0 is 5. Let us consider the point 4, P as x1, y1 and the point 1, 0 as x2, y2. And the formula for the distance between these 2 points x1, y1 and x2, y2 is root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, which is equal to 5. Now let us substitute the values for x1, y1 and x2, y2. That implies root over x2 is 1 minus x1 is 4 whole square plus y2 is 0 minus y1 is p whole square is equal to 5. Root over 1 minus 4 whole square is 3 square plus 0 minus p whole square is p square, that is equal to 5. Now let us square on both sides. Upon squaring on both sides, we get 3 square plus p square is equal to 5 square. P square is equal to 5 square is 25 minus 3 square is 9, which is equal to 16. P square is equal to 16, which means P is plus or minus 4, because plus 4 whole square is 16 or minus 4 whole square is 16. Therefore, P is equal to plus or minus 4. From the given options, option B plus or minus 4 is the right answer.